Hello everyone, this is Robert at GetVoip.com. Today we are unboxing the Cisco SPA525G2 from RingCentral. First off, we've got some nice RingCentral branding right here. Cisco IP phone, push that out. One nice touch about this box is just how easy it is to open. It's a real nice touch. Don't have to fiddle with it. Don't have to get out the knives. Everything's nice, easily laid out right here. Got the unit itself, plugs. Got the cords, stand. So let's start out. Let's have dessert first, shall we? This right here is the color screen. Hang up. We have, of course, our standard buttons. Volume up and down, do not disturb, speaker, handset, mute, voicemail. And of course on the back, this is the power AC adapter. This is for an auxiliary jack. These two right here, so you can mount it on a wall. And of course you have the Ethernet patch jack to hook it directly into your TV, your PC. And of course, and this goes right into the wall. And this is for the handset. And even on the top, you get a USB port right there for Bluetooth or wireless, whatever they come up with next. Once again, here's the Ethernet jack cable, about 6 feet long. Put that aside. Power supply for VoIP products right here. You'll notice this doesn't have a plug. They hide that from you. Put it in here somewhere. Make sure you put it in nice and tight. All right, that should be good. And we have our telephone jack. I keep saying jack. What I really mean is cable. You'll have to forgive me for that one. And here's the stand. So let's plug this in. That in with a nice satisfying click. Same for this side. And while we're at it, we're going to plug in the power adapter and the Ethernet jack while we're up here. Make sure this is ready to go on the other side. You see right here, Cisco branded side up. That snaps right into place. Plug this in, see if it works. And we have ignition. Now we see it's booting up. We got all the red lights, all the green lights. It is now connecting to the server. There's the color screen, RingCentral. We are ready to rock. So that's the initialization screen. Once again, we have everything ready to go. Right now it's flashing the microphone button. You see right here, system is booting up, so as you can see as represented, this represents the phone, and it's connecting to the internet, to the cloud, the series of tubes, if you will. Getting the IP address. Now let's set on Do Not Disturb. Let's turn that one off. Got ourselves a ringtone. We are good to go.